Before you scroll away, pause for a moment and listen carefully. This message may feel unexpected, but it is not accidental. God guided this video to you because something sacred is happening behind the scenes of your life. Tonight, while you may feel unnoticed, while you believe no one truly understands the weight you carry, someone, somewhere, is whispering your name in prayer. Yes, someone you may not even realize is asking God to protect you, to strengthen you, and to open doors you cannot open alone. Heaven has heard those prayers, and God wants you to know tonight you are not as alone as you think. God says, "My child, there is something happening in the spiritual realm that your eyes cannot yet perceive. You have endured silent battles. You have walked through seasons where discouragement attempted to suffocate your hope. There were moments when uncertainty clouded your future, and loneliness surrounded your heart like a storm. But what you did not know, what remained hidden from your understanding, is that someone has been interceding for you. God says, while you were worrying about tomorrow, someone was kneeling in prayer for your destiny. While you were questioning your worth, someone was asking heaven to remind you of your value. Their prayers have risen like incense before my throne. My child, prayers spoken with sincerity possess extraordinary power. Even when you feel forgotten, those quiet whispers to heaven create movement in places you cannot see. God says, "I have heard every request spoken for your life. Not a single word has been ignored. Every petition, every tearful prayer, every heartfelt plea has reached me." Sometimes the person praying for you could be someone close to you, a mother who asks God every night to shield you from harm, a friend who silently hopes that your future will overflow with blessings, or perhaps a person you barely know, someone whose heart simply felt compelled to pray for you. God often uses unexpected vessels to release blessings. God says, "Because of those prayers, I am working behind the curtain of your circumstances. Doors that once appeared immovable will begin to open. Situations that seemed permanently broken will gradually be restored, and the confusion that once troubled your mind will transform into clarity." My child, understand this truth. You are surrounded by divine intervention even when life feels uncertain. There are spiritual forces operating in your favor that you cannot measure with human understanding. God says, "The prayers spoken over your life have initiated a process of restoration. What was delayed will begin to move forward. What felt impossible will slowly unfold." Tonight, as you prepare to rest, release your worries. You do not have to carry every burden alone. Someone has already lifted your name to heaven, and heaven is responding. God says, "Remain patient, remain faithful, and remain hopeful." The prayers spoken for you tonight will produce answers in ways you never expected. So before this night ends, take a moment. Close your eyes. Thank God for the unseen people who care about you. Thank Him for the prayers spoken on your behalf, and trust that divine favor is already moving toward your life. Because tonight, someone is praying for you, and God is listening.